everyone. It is Monday the 9th, and I am headed out of here. I have a close contact, so it'll be a little while before you see me again, which is unfortunate for me because it's been really nice getting to hang out with y'all again, especially after the last trimester. So I'm going to be out for a little while, so a handful of things that I need to know. Number one, I am going to be going pretty much entirely virtually. I will not be available today because there are some things that I'm going to need to get set up for the class moving forward, but I'm going to be in my Google Meet a lot and probably going to set it so that I'll be projected up here. So y'all are going to get to still see me every day, just not in person. So things are going to change up just a little bit. The structure of the class, however, is going to still be exactly the same. Everything will still get posted online. Everything will still be linked together. There will still be videos. Just getting help from me is going to be a little bit different and a little bit more awkward. So, yay, we've got that going for us. Another thing, seating charts. You know that we have not typically had seating charts. The reason for that has been I don't like seating charts. And especially in my bigger classes, like we've had to move around and shuffle. So make sure that you're still using the checkerboard pattern. No one is within 6 feet of anybody else. Make sure that you continue to spread out, and we're going to be okay there. Treat the subs with respect. They haven't been in here before. Tell them how the system works and be honest with them. How you treat them is a reflection of how you treat me. So make their lives easier as much as you possibly can. You've all been super awesome all trimester, so I don't expect any problems there, but be the awesome people that I know all of you are. This is really unfortunate, and I'm really going to miss all of you, and I don't want to go, but such is life, and that's okay, and we're going to get through this, because that's what we do. So I'm looking forward to seeing you again in person in a couple of weeks, but until then, I'll see you in Google Meet. Please start utilizing that more often, because that is now the only place you can access me. So hopefully I will see you soon.